Alright, we are here at a car wash I've been wanting to film for probably the last, 5 years.
Please select your wash or enter your coupon
And
now.
I'm getting soap all in this car by having the window open, so we're going to take a break here. Ooh, soap in the eye. Anyways, we are at Longboards in New Carlisle, Indiana, owned by Joe. Same guy who owns Longboards in, why is this not focusing? Walkerton. Let's get a LaserWash 360 Plus. And this truck just got in. It sounded like he had a lot of trouble positioning in there, so we'll see if we experience the same thing. So he is getting soap still, so we're going to wait to pay. The wash packages 15, 12, 10, and 9. For the 15, I always forget that sign's there. I missed it on the last one. Let's see. Come on. Wow. Autofocus.
Hello, welcome to Longboard. Please select your wash or enter your coupon now.
There we go for the 15. We're going to go for the 15. Can't see the whatever. 12, 10. We're getting a lot of blowback here, so we're going to wait again. And let's pay. Well, nope, I lied. We're going to wait.
Hello, welcome to Longboard. Please select your wash or enter your coupon now.
And it's going straight for a double pass, so we're going to wait. Got the GoPro on the back window, trying something new. This is going to be interesting. It's going to either fall off or survive. I'm hoping it survives. And this thing just keeps talking to me, telling me to select a wash. I'm not going to do that while he's... Alright, should get a shot after this. Yep. Alright, we're going to go ahead and do that.
Please add payment for your selection.
We're going to add $15.
Would you like to have a receipt? Please wait while your card is being authorized.
So I always get a receipt. Man, he's getting his dryers. Still being authorized.
We have purchased the tsunami wash. Now enter the wash if it is ready.
Alright. The water does not smell very clean. The bay does not look like it drains very well. If this stupid thing focuses, what is its problem? We have to manually focus everything. But look at all that water in the bottom of the bay still. The original laser dry dryers are still here from when it was a 360. And you can see in the mirror there, if it wants to focus. A lot of water's running out there. So we've got the go-ahead. So we're gonna pull forward. Let's see if we have any issues. We get our undercarriage. All right, we got our stop. Nope, back up, stop. Okay. Only had one little blip there compared to like the 7 the other guy had. All right, so here we go with pre-soak. and the light show. Great first coating of pre-soak. And the GoPro. That's going to be quite an interesting angle. I don't know what we're going to get, honestly. Either it's going to stay on and get a crappy angle, it's going to stay on and get a good angle, or it's going to fall and get submerged in the water below. And have to walk through that water and find it. Second coating of pre-soak here. Watch it come over the top there, get the lights. And now we wait for it to soak. Focus. There we go. Here we go. With our high pressure rinse. And I hope this thing does not fall off, because there's a truck coming in behind me. This pressure wash seems pretty weak, so I think the GoPro's gonna stay. The answer is it survives the first pass. Watch it come over the top again. Will it survive the second pass? And this guy in the truck left. And now we're gonna get our hot wax with purple. So it started the wax early, then moved forward for the remainder of the wax. Should get a rinse from what looks like, could it be from a rain arch? No, just kidding, there's no rain arch. So we should get a rinse, or Rain-X, or triple foam. Great coating, a triple foam on the front, sides, top, on the back. Oh, going right into another high pressure cycle. Starting from that corner, this one's faster, a lot quicker. But you know, if you look at the difference, it got it off. And GoPro survives another one. So what are we gonna get now? Spot-free rinse, which comes from the nozzles in the top. So I wonder, oh, another pass of spot-free rinse. I wonder if the water on the bottom is causing issues with the detecting the caulk. We should get the air dryers. Yep, 70 seconds in drying time, and we're going to take advantage of all of it. Again, these don't sound good, and they didn't sound good the last time I was here years ago. And as always with laser dry dryers, pretty meh job. I was not expecting anything else. This thing struggles moving back and forth. I think he totally should have upgraded to the max there. That one doesn't move at all. 19 seconds to go, and I've still got a lot of the car left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, Didn't have time to get that and listen to how bad those dryers sound. GoPro survived, but look at the amount of water running out all the way down. Just look at that. That bay is flooded. It's running all the way down into his parking lot here. And out the front. So we'll do a drive-by of the building since we didn't do that the first time. Looks like the car wash did a good job though. But we're gonna get an idea of how flooded this bay actually is. There you go. So that in-bay drain must be completely clogged, and that appears to be causing issues. Maybe that's the cause of issues with it detecting where the car is parked. Maybe it's not. I haven't been in it at all, so I don't know. But that's it. That's a LaserWash 360 Plus at Longboards in New Carlisle, Indiana. Thank you for watching.